Nicole. Welcome back or to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you join my little family. Today I created this makeup look right here. It's super glam and it's super easy to recreate, so if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. So you might be thinking like, what the happened to my hair? But I'm trying something new. I haven't curled it since I cut it, so I hope it looks okay. I mean, my hair is really thick. It's full of secrets.
That's why her hair is so big. It's full of secrets.
Anyway, today I was bored. I finished all my homework. Good for me. So I decided to do a makeup tutorial today. I don't know what we're gonna do. I feel like something really like natural. Well, not natural because we are gonna be putting on makeup, but like something simple and pretty. So I'm just gonna go in with my normal steps. We already know, Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This is so good for my dry skin. I've said that many times. And like I really should put my hair back. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with foundation. I'm gonna be going in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Fiji. I love this foundation. So I'm gonna take a few pumps of that. And I'm just gonna be buffing this in. Do you guys have toxic people in your life? I've had this toxic person in my life for quite a while. You know those friendships that are just off and on, like you know they're not going anywhere? I don't know, I feel like this person always kind of wanted to be me in a way. I know that sounds like conceited, but I promise you it's not. Every time I accomplish something in my life, you would expect your best friend to kind of be happy for you, but it was always the opposite. It was always like negativity from their part, and it was always like the mistakes that this person made were fine and like I had to forgive, but like mine were never forgivable. Do you guys have people like that? Okay, so the next product I'm going in with is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I kind of wanted to say this because this person recently stopped talking to me. I was fine with it. I was like, whatever, like it just wasn't meant to be. It's better for me. But like every time I'm like doing better, they somehow reappear in my life, and it's like so annoying. And I just got reminded of it because of course they got in a fight with me, they blocked me, and now I got a friend request that they want to be my friend. It's so toxic. Like you can't keep doing this. It's just the same thing. I accept you, you block me again for no reason, I'll have you know. Okay, now that that's there, I'm gonna go in with my Airspun loose setting powder. I'm just gonna take whatever's on the cap. As always, make sure we have no creases. Go ahead and set under there. And then lightly, I'm just tapping this everywhere else, and we're gonna go in with a bigger brush and just blend this out. So I'm gonna go in with this brush, just buff this into the rest of the skin. Okay, so for contour, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Saddle. Looks like this. I should have like humongous muscles. Like this takes a lot of work from your arms and they hurt. Like all this right here hurts from just doing this. So who said makeup isn't a sport? I'm just kidding. Imagine if it was, like you go to the Olympics for makeup. That'd be so cool. So guys, am I the only one that doesn't think you should go to the dentist like every 6 months to get your teeth cleaned? Like it's so annoying. Like what's the point of toothpaste if you need to be going to the dentist like every 2 days? I feel like I live at the dentist. I thought like once I was done with braces, like that was it. I hate the dentist, and it's so ironic because I'm actually going to school to become an orthodontist, so it's basically the same thing. So I'm gonna take the same bronzer and a smaller brush to contour my nose. And my mom was like cracking up last night because I was saying how I drink out of a straw, like I never let soda or coffee or anything like touch my teeth, and it's like, why do I have to be going to the dentist? Like they're already clean, my teeth are clean. And she was like arguing with me, saying that my teeth are gonna turn black, and I don't know what she was saying. Mothers are so dramatic. It's not that deep. Like I'm pretty sure there's people that don't go to the dentist every 6 months and they're fine. They're doing just fine. It was so funny because in my last video I was like, yeah, I hate doing people's makeup, blah blah blah, and then I felt so bad because then this girl asked me to do her makeup. I felt so bad because I was over here like, yeah, I hate doing people's makeup, like I don't like when they ask. But no, like I'm totally fine doing her makeup. Like I like her, she's cool. I just get so nervous being in charge of someone's makeup for like an important event, you know, like Like if I screw that up, that's on me. I should also look on the bright side. If it comes out bomb, like I did that and I was part of that special day, you know? So it goes both ways. So I need to try to be more positive because it's not cute being a negative Nancy all the time. I'm using Becca Opal, by the way. Now I'm gonna go in with MAC Peaches. We already know. Okay, now I'm going in with my Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. So I'm taking like the lightest amount. So for this look, I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette again. I love this palette, it's so nice. So the first shade I'm gonna be taking is Tempura, and I'm gonna pack this in my inner corners. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna be going in with is Raw Sienna right here. And then I'm gonna place this all over in the crease. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to be going in with is Primavera right here. It's just this pretty gold. I'm going to be packing this all over my lid. So there's that, and you're just going to go back in with your blending brush and just blend out the edges. Now from here, what I like to do is go in with any eyeliner. This is just a Too Faced sketch marker in black. And I'm just going to line the top. This is just my base for another shade, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to go back in with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the shade Cypress Umber, and we're going to stamp this on top of this shade. I'm going to do my bottom lash line off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished up my eyes. I did the lower lash line, and I put on Makeup Shack lashes in Dubai. And now I'm going to be doing my lips. So I'm going to line them with MAC Strip Down. London. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set with my Mario spray. So this was the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was super quick, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Join my little family. If you have any requests of what you want to see from me next, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.